Hi. Okay. Jay Hansen, Crazy Cool Dragon here, with your uh, August edition of Bad Dad Jokes. However, this August, this month, and this month only, I'm going to diverge from bad dad jokes to just plain old bad jokes. So here's going to be just a bad joke for your humorous entertainment. Okay, there are two tall trees, a birch and a beech, growing in the woods. A small tree begins to grow between them, and the beech says to the birch, "Is that a son of a beech or a son of a birch?" The birch says he cannot tell, but just then a woodpecker lands on the sapling. The birch says, "Hey, Mr. Woodpecker, you are a tree expert. Can you tell if this is a son of a beech or a son of a birch?" The woodpecker takes a taste of the small tree and replies, "It is neither a son of a beech or a son of a birch. It is, however, the best piece of ash I have ever poked my pecker into." Try not to smile.